Hey guys, we received this waterproof electric food warming mat for test and try. So this is a food grade silicone warming tray with a 17 temperature setting and 6-hour timer. So it's a full surface heating mat with a roll up food warmer. So you can see comes in this nice portable thing, and these are the silicone bits on the back so that it will give some height from your table. So this will not harm your table, or the heating thing will not harm your table. So waterproof material because of the silicone, and this is the whole adapter for the setting that you have to put it on the side. So it's a good thing that you can just take this out and wash and clean this mat very easily, and it's silicone, so there will be no impact of the water. So it's a waterproof. So you can easily put on the table and put your food plates or food things on the top, so keep it warm. And there are the different temperature settings in here that you can see. So it's easy to store as well with this band, and it's 22.6 inch in the length, 15 inches in the width. You can set all the temperature in here and the timer setting. So it's takes some time to heat up first, almost like in seconds. So for every inch. So initially it will take a time, but it's a whole mat, so this will start heating soon. And then to protect your countertop or things, they have the big spikes. So around like say 0.32 inches or somehow, and you can just put on your mug, and I can see now I start warming up. So once it warm up, please don't put your hands. It is really hot, and I can feel the water and everything is warm now. So you can put a ceramic one, or you can put a steel mug, and this is like say the water on the top. You can. I'm just trying to show like if the water spill. So this is a waterproof, so it will not impact, and you can just wipe it off and clean this up. So you can put your ceramic one, frying pan, stainless steel, or anything. Nice mat.